Up.
Yes.
Up.
Come on. Push. Yes.
Down. Up.
Go.
Up. Down. Up.
Push.
Up.
Come on. Push.
Left, right. Woo! 3 white lights. Up.
Yes. Push.
Up.
Come on. Push.
Nukuvuga ngo bavuye kuri iriya ya SWAT.
Yes.
So ubu bivuze ngo bagiye kujya
ubu tugiye kurikizaho bench press nk'uko ubona bari gukora hasi kuri bench press. Yes.
so buriya bivuze ngo amanota hariya bamajiye kuyabara baraza kuza guteranya barebe warushije abandi kuri iriya.
Yes, ntabwo bararangiza kubara nk'uko uri kubibona bagiye kurikizaho bagiye kubishyira muri mashini bamara gukora byose n'ibigori biteranyije hamwe barebe uko bagiye batsindanye.
Okay.
Yes.
Mwiriya muzungu uriya umaze guterura 218. Mbonye hari utuntu agize gutya abanza gusoma n'ibiki byose naga abantu bashobora kuvuga ngo hari ibintu by'ubwenge abanje gukoresha kuruta.
No kuvuga ngo biriya nk'uko wabibonye twabifata twabyita nk'ibintu bimwongerera imbaraga. Yes. Kuba focus ku kintu agiye gukora. Nta bindi bintu birenze. Yes.
Nako ntekereza ko ari umuntu ushobora kubira agahita avuga ati ntabwo wabibonye ko hari ababanza gukoresha ibiyobyabwenge twe badushaka ngo
ntabwo twabyita ibiyobyabwenge ahubwo bira ni ibintu bimufungura ahubwo akaba focus ku kintu agiye gukora. Yes, ntabwo twacyita ikiyobyabwenge nimba ubizi neza ikiyobyabwenge cyari cyo nawe. Yes,
niba kinyoye ubwenge
urayoba nta kintu kizima wakora ariko ari ibintu ari gukora ko agomba kuba ari focus nabyo. Yes,
ana abatipe baraterura kabisa 218
ibintu bakora barabizi n'aba expert.
Abigarukira kuri bingayo
yewe nika tubigira ibanga nanjye aho tugomba kurushanwa nanjye reka mugire ibanga.
Rutambi yajyamo
oya ntago Rutambi hano ntago ntagarajya ku rwego rwaho. Yes, ariko nawe ari mu nzira ubona ko refa ari hari nziza cyane.
Okay, baratangiye ngira ngo yes, bakaba baratangiye kuri chess bahereye kuri Naomi as usual. Ibisanzwe Naomi ahise atangira
Are you ready? Our first attempt. Ready? Go down me. Oh, sorry. No, bring it back. Okay, guys. Can I have your attention, please? Shema. Yes? Can I have your attention, please? Okay. We are only doing this because we are beginner powerlifters, so I have to explain the rules again. When it comes to the bench press, guys, all right, you're gonna get 3 commands from the judge. Okay? If you ignore any of those 3, the lift doesn't count. Okay? Command number 1 is that the judge says bench. That's when you go down, and you have to hold it on the chest until you say the judge gives you say up. Then you come up, and then when the judge says rec, you bring it back. Okay? So the judge says start or down, and then he says up and rec. Those 3 commands, you're gonna wait for the judge to say. If you miss any of those commands, the lift doesn't count. Okay?
Do we have to have
down? The second one is up. The last one is rec.
Do we have to have our feet flat, or can we have our feet like this?
Yes, good question. You have to have 4 points of contact feet must be flat on the ground, the ass must be touching the bench, the shoulders must be on the bench, and the head also must be touching on the bench. 4 points. Feet, ass, shoulders, and head. All points must be on the in contact with the bench. If any of those leaves the bench during any moment, the lift doesn't count. Okay? Okay? Any other questions? You are allowed to arc the back.
But your butt has to stay on the bench.
Your butt has to stay on the bench. Alright? The feet is on the ground. Alright?
Jambo rero kubanza gutanga amabwiriza nk'ibisanzwe avuga ko abarubiti aribo bagomba kuza gutanga uburenganzira bakavuga bati gikureho ukagishyiraho gatuza bakongera bavuga bati kizamure. Amabwiriza natwe tubagomba kubanza kugenda baravuga bati ikibuno kigomba kuba kiri ku ntebe, umutwe ugomba kuba uri ku ntebe, ibirenge bigomba kuba biri hasi biringaniye. Kimwe muri ibyo ngibyo kitari buze kuza kujyaho.
Okay. 2 red lights. Okay. We're gonna go to 65 kilograms. For our king. So we're gonna put a 20 kilograms on the bar. First attempt for our king on the bench press. Down. Up. Break. Okay, well done. 3 white lights. Okay, we're going to stay at 65 for Daniel. Okay. Guys, when you're done, keep on back on your wait for your second attempt with the knee. Okay? Okay. Let's go, Daniel. Down. Up. Okay, nice attempt, Daniel. Okay. We're gonna stay at 65 for Fabio. Daniel. All right, 65 kilograms for Fabio. First attempt. Okay. Let's go. Go ahead, EA. Down. Up. Okay, bring it back. Okay. 3. All right, we're gonna go to 80 kilograms for Honore. Next one. All right, we're gonna now a move. Let's move everything to 25 and a 2.5. No, sorry, and a 5. He's going 8, right? Yes. 8. Honore, try to attempt 80 kilograms. 80 kilograms. Yeah. It's a normal thing. Okay guys, 80 kilograms for Honore. Let's go. Next one. Okay, go to the side back here. Down. Up. Right. Well done. 80 kilograms. Gonna stay at 80 kilograms for Eve. Gonna stay at 80 kilograms for Eve. Okay. Let's go Eve. Yes. Down. Up. Break. Well done. Yeah. All right. We're gonna go to 85 now. 85. For Brian. 85 for Brian. All right, Brian, 85 kilograms. Come. Wait. Yeah. Help. Okay, bring it back. Yes, but I was supposed to give you the start side. Okay, you have 2 more attempts after this. We're gonna go to 90 now for Etienne. So we're gonna reach 15. Let's go. No, sorry, not 15. Let's go. 10 and a 5. No, sorry. No, 10 and 2.5. Yes, no, sorry. Only 10. Okay, you guys are smarter than me. That's why I have you. Right? All right, guys, we're gonna go for 90 kilograms for Etienne. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Down. Up. Wreck. Okay, well done. Well done. We're gonna stay at 90 for Tuki. Go Tuki. Mr. United Kingdom. Okay, so you can put your feet in front of them. Yeah, there. All right, 90 kilograms for Tuki. Down. Up. Wreck. Okay. All right. Quite nice. Well done. All right, guys. Gonna make a big jump now. 120 kilograms. 120 kilograms. 120. So that's 2 of these. For Ezra. Ezra, where are you? Ezra. All right, Ezra, 120 kilograms for Ezra. Okay. Yeah, so you have to from this side. Get it out. Okay. Alright, so go to the side now. On the side. Down. Up. Easy. Right. Yeah. Bring it up and then we run it. They're red on that one. Yeah, Don't bring the...
Bring it up and then we'll back it for you. Yeah. You know you can go up now, yeah.
All right, 125 for Fasei.
Let's go for six. Go!
Daniel.
Bring it up and then we'll back it. Go fast yourself.
Okay. Judges, are you ready? Eric, are you ready? Let's go for Segi. 125.
I'm going to bring it up anyway. Over here. Bring it to my teacher. And
Down. Up. Break. Three white lights. Well done. Well done. Last but not least, 145 kg. 145 kg.
I'm getting excited.
145 kg. 120. 10. Okay. What's it? What's it? I'm sorry, Shema.
Go!
All right. Wait. So can you go a bit forward so that... Shema, 145 kilograms. The reigning champion of our bench press here. All right. Go. Down. Up. Easy. Well done.
Because it's got a weight, it's 120 Naomi. He's doing that. Yeah, he brings it up, and then we help run. Because it's going to injure his back. Oh, yeah.
All right.
I feel like we don't need different progress.
Okay, yeah, you said you. Okay.
All right. Naomi, attempting.
Go ahead again, yeah? 5 and 10. That's it. 15.
No, it means pause. It's supposed to be pause. Elite. 52. Down. Up.
Yes,
Come on, guys.
First you need a line. Don't forget that.
Well done.
Yes!
All right, we're gonna go to 60 kilograms.
Goes up, we have to. Once he says back, we move it.
I have trust issues. Just don't leave me like that.
Good
job. can do it.
Daniel.
That's your next one.
Let's go Eve.
Go up, man.
Just 20. Remember, when he says run, the teacher should do it now. 60 kilograms. Add a kilogram.
All right, Danielle, let's go. Second. 10. Down. Up.
Come on.
Break.
We're going to rack it. Because he's throwing the weight back, he's going to injure himself.
All right.
Everyone knows they can help rack, right?
Yeah, 12%.
Yeah.
They're stressing me out.
It's a bit scary.
Well done, Daniel. Okay. Can I do quick five?
Well done,
All right, Daniel, understand it. I do quick five. Gonna go 65 for Fabio. Second at 10.
You got this, remember? Bring it to the top and then I got it.
Because you already did 60.
All right, Fabio, let's go. All right. 65, yes. Okay. Down. Up.
Come on! Let's go, Fabio! Push! Yes!
Right.
Yes!
Okay.
Let's go!
You're right.
Okay, then I'll go to 70 now.
That came from deep. Yeah. I felt that one when I saw.
You got it?
Houston?
Yeah.
So we have 70 kilograms.
25 longer.
All right. Let's go. Hakim, we're at 70 kilograms for Hakim. Second attempt. Down. Up. Two red lights, Hakim.
He didn't say that.
Fast. Alright, we're gonna go to 85 kilograms for Eve.
I think it's because you tried to wrap it straight away. Yeah, like
85.
hoping you were going to do it. Told me, yeah.
85.
Did it with what?
85 kilograms. Second attempt for Eve. And Brian as well, stay ready.
And 70.
Someone pick up. 85 kilograms. Ready? Get ready, Hakim. Daniel, stay ready. Down. Up.
Yes!
Wreck. Yes, well done. Make it. one for Brian.
That's right.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity?
Random Asian boy. Let's go, let's go. Down. Come on. Up. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Nice up there. Okay, remove everything.
Take it all off.
Where are you? Eh? I know, how many? Come on, guys. 15 and red and green. Final attempt, guys, on the bench press. Final attempt on the bench press. After this, we're gonna do our favorite deadlifts. So when you're done with this bench press, go warm up for the deadlift. And pass all your weight with the least. Okay. Yes, we're ready. We're ready whenever you are.
For this or for the deadlift? For this, I did 65.
Down.
Not gonna try it.
Up.
Let's go! Come on! Come on! Push! 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 Yes!
68.
Okay. 3 white lights. Well done, Naomi. Okay. Now we're gonna go to Daniel, 62.5.
107.5. My first one is 135, but I want to try 150.
62, so you put 20? Yeah. It's gone what? 62.5 guys.
Deadlift. Yeah.
62.5.
At this, I'm pretty bad.
62.5 for Daniel. Final attempt. Okay. 2.5. Yes.
You train at this gym?
Okay.
You train at this gym?
Okay. go. Roll the bar forward. Even more, Daniel. Even more. Put your feet on the ground. Or on the plate. On the plate, you move the plates lower than you are taller, you know. Let me see. No, let me have Eve. Eve, I want to squat. I don't know. Sorry, I don't know if he's gonna do it right. We don't even want the... All right, come on. Come on. On this side, please. Okay. Are we ready? Let's go, Daniel. All right, judges, ready? Down. Up. Push. And right. What is it? What is it, guys? What is it? 3 red ones. Okay. All right, we're gonna have now 66 kilograms for Fabio. 66 kilograms for Fabio. Daniel, you can take one for Eve. 6 kilograms. 66 kilograms for Fabio. Okay, so guys, remember, keep it up, eh? Eric, keep it up. Okay? 66 kilograms. Are we ready? Fabio, final attempt. Go, Fabio, got this. Okay. Down. Up. Push, push, push. And wreck it, guys. Okay, nice attempt. 3 red lights. Okay, now we're gonna go to 80 kilograms for Hakim. Let's go. Let's go. $80 kilograms for Hakim. Okay, you can go to the side. Can you stay up upright? 80 kilograms for Hakim. Okay, right here. Let's go. Diego. Final attempt for Mr. Hakim. First powerlifting ever. Down. Up. Rack. Okay, put it down. 2 white lights. Well done, you made it. Now we're gonna go to Eve, 95 kilograms. 95 kilograms for Eve. Okay. Yes, Hakim. Can you come and help lift out? Where does he think? 95 kilograms. Don't use this one. 95. 95 kilograms. For Mr. Eve. I think that's somewhere about his body weight. Not only lifting, it's also math. Okay. Are we ready, Mr. Eve? Final attempt at 95. Okay, let's go. Down. Up. Yes. Push. Let's go. Come on. Yes. Break. Nice. Well done, Mr. Eve. Well done. Woo. Put the bar forward. Okay. Down. Up. Okay. Nice attempt, Mr. Zainasta. Honore. 105. Same weight.
Honore.
Honore, let's go.
Get it? Get it?
Okay. Honore, get ready. 18. Oh, 105. No, it's for that lifter. Let's go, Nore. Let's go, Nore. 105 kilograms. Down. Up.
Yes! Come on!
Right. Ooh, 2 white lights. He made it. Yes, congratulations.
Which one was the one?
Okay. 110 kilograms now. $110 for Tuki. $110 for Tuki. Tuki, we are ready for you. Are you going to use the face of it? Alright.
Go Tuki!
Tuki! Alright. Came all the way from the UK to do this bench press. The bench press of his life. 110 kilograms. Go. Down. Up. Push, push, push. Correct. Alright, well done, Tuki. Nice attempt. 3 red lights go. Alright, for Shady. 145.5. Sorry, 147.5.
Kutukura oxygen nyinshi cyane. 147.5. Let's go!
Down! Up!
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on!
Push! Push! That's right! Woo! 3 white lights! Okay guys, we have 2 more lifters here. Next one is 150. More extra. 150. Okay, we don't move. I want to bend the poco. Back. All right. 150 kilograms. 4 extra. Let's go extra. 150.
Let's go, come on!
Down. Up.
Yeah! Push, push, push!
Yes. Well done, Ezra.
Let's go!
Woo, right. Well done, Ezra. Final lift, 155 kilograms. For Shema. All the way up.
Let's go,
Malaysia.
Finish this off.
China. All traveler. Retailer. And also bench press master. He's the reigning champion. 155 kilograms, not pounds. All right. Down. Up. Okay. Well done. Well done, guys. Okay. Okay. Guys, move the weights. Make sure you pass on the weights. We're going to go to the deadlift now.
That's the thing.